Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on your WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to hide your number on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings option. The setting page of WhatsApp will appear. Here, click on Privacy where you can control your privacy and choose the right settings for you. On the particular page, tap on About and select Nobody among other options. It will hide your WhatsApp number. This is how you can hide your number on WhatsApp application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.